Welcome to Indian Recipes. This is Usha. Today's special it's Japanese cake or Dacquoise. This cake brings a nostalgia from my childhood. This is one of my favorites, so I wanted to bake it. Let's look into the ingredients. Cashew nut 1 cup, whipping cream 1/4 cup, sugar 4 tablespoon, vanilla essence 1 teaspoon, corn flour 1 and a half tablespoon, brown sugar 2 tablespoon, powdered salt 1/4 teaspoon, egg white 2, and 3 tablespoon of dark chocolate which is melted. Take a mixie jar, put the cashew nuts and coarsely grind it. Remove 2 and a half tablespoon from the jar. We need this for coating the cream. Roast it slightly till it turns aromatic. Now take brown sugar and corn flour and add it to the cashew nut powder and pulse beat it. Cashew powder, it should not be finely ground, so we need a bit coarsely ground powder. Now this is ready. Add 2 egg whites, 1/4 teaspoon of salt or 1/4 teaspoon of cream tartar powder. Whisk it well with the help of a electric whisker and add sugar, granulated sugar in between. So add it little by little and whisk it well. Meringue should be of a right consistency. So this process whipping here, it should be just right. So you can see it is turning into glossy. We need a soft peak meringue here. So you can see we have arrived at a right consistency here. Transfer the meringue into a big mixing bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Mix it. Add cashew powder in batches. Mix it in cut and fold method. The purpose of mixing cashew into meringue should be just breaking the lumps and mixing gently. We should not overbeat the meringue here. So this is the consistency of our meringue. Transfer it into a piping bag. Take a baking tray and place a butter paper on top of it. Now cut the edge of the piping bag tip. Let's start preparing dots. Swirl it like a cookie. There should be around 2-inch gap between each dots. Tap it once or twice. Preheat the oven at 160 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Bake the tarts at 160 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. Once baked, separate the tarts carefully from butter paper when it is warm. Take a bowl, add chilled whipping cream of 1/4 cup. Whip it with the help of electric whisker. This cream already contains enough sugar, so I'm not adding any extra. Whip it till sharp peaks. Our tarts are ready. I have allowed them to cool. Once it is completely cool, we can do the filling work. I'm preparing two flavors here. One is chocolate flavor and another is plain cream flavor. Take a piping bag and fill it half. You can, if you don't have a piping bag, you can keep it in a bowl. Now take the melted chocolate, which should be under room temperature, or if you have a chocolate ganache, you can mix it around 2 to 3 tablespoons. Mix it well with the whipped cream. Now our cream is ready. Let's fill some cream. Take a tart, squeeze some cream from the center, swirling towards the tip of the tart. You can do another layer if you wish. Close a tart on top of it. Press it slightly. Now roll it on the roasted cashew nuts. Fill it from all the sides. Put some chocolate on the top. Ta-da! Our tarts are ready. I have taken a round sharp-edged bowl here for giving a proper round shape and reducing the size of the tart because I feel it's a bit bigger one. So I'm just removing excess from the sides. You can use a cookie cutter for cutting it. These tarts are very delicate, so be careful while handling them. Take the spatula, fill the cream from the center. Close another tart on top of it and press it slightly and roll the roasted cashew nuts from all around. If there is any gap, fill it with the cream. And we are not going to throw any extra tarts here. Whatever we have removed while cutting, we are going to crush them and mix it with the crushed cashew nuts. And put some chocolate on top of it and some crushed cashew nuts. Now our Japanese cake is ready to eat. I have prepared two flavors here, chocolate and the plain vanilla flavor. Both turned out to be very tasty. I hope you all like this recipe. Please do try at home. Thank you for watching. Like and comment and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.